Hi there, and welcome to Personal Finance for Dummies series. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the basics of personal finance in just a few minutes, perfect for those short on time. Do you know what personal finance is? It's just a fancy way of saying how you handle your money. Here are the 3 key terms you need to know: income, expenses, and savings. Income is the money you earn from your job, your side hustle, or even the occasional birthday check from grandma. Expenses are all the bills you have to pay, like rent, groceries, and that pesky Netflix subscription you keep forgetting to cancel. And savings is the money you set aside for a rainy day or your long-term goals, like buying a house or retiring comfortably. So what's the key to managing your personal finances? Easy. You need to strike a balance between income, expenses, and savings. If you're spending more than you're earning, you're in trouble. If you're saving too much and not enjoying life, that's no fun either. The key is finding the right balance for your needs and goals. And that's it, a quick introduction to personal finance in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.